In this video I'm going to show you a very quick way of how to edit in a blue sky into what was originally a very dull photo. So open up the GIMP and just drag across the photo that you want to enhance. Here I've got a lovely picture of a river. Well, I say a lovely picture, it's actually a very dull picture of a river. Now, if we're wanting to add in a blue sky, we want to take away the white sky and add in a blue sky. So first of all, first important thing, have a picture of a blue sky that you want to use. So I've got one which I've taken previously, and just drag and drop it into the layers icon at the side there, and then that adds it in. So if I take away the first picture, all we see is blue sky. That looks fantastic. So we've got our two pictures. How do we combine them as easily as possible? Well, it's quite simple on the GIMP. So click on the top picture, the picture that we're going to change. Then click on the fifth icon along at the top menu bar, which is select by colour. So click on that and click on the white overcast sky. Bingo, done it, easy peasy. Then, although it's decided where the edges are, you might want to enhance that. So I'm going to go to select, grow by 1 pixel. That's all it needs to be, 1 pixel. Click OK. Then, this is where it gets pretty technical here. Go to select, go to invert, go back to select, go to float. Over on your icons over here, right click that, go down to new layer. Then, boom, take away the layer below, and boom, we now have a blue sky shot. And not only that, we seem to have some of the blue reflected in the beautiful water there as well. So there, see before, dull and grey. Afterwards, nice blue sky and looking good. However, there are a couple of mistakes, and there is a way that we need to resolve them. For example, if we zoom in quite hard into our picture and we look at the side, we can see that some of the blue that was in the sky is actually being shown in the picture here. So we want to get rid of these, and maybe if we want to take it away from the river, we can do that quite easily. So what we'll do, we'll just zoom back out. So let's go back to our previous shot here where we've got just all the dull stuff in that. We want to turn that back on, but then we want to add on a layer mask. So we right click on that, go to add layer mask, go to black full transparency, so that'll make it look like it disappears again. Click add, bingo, it's disappeared. But we've still got those blue bits in the trees, and we're effectively just painting over that area there, and that makes it disappear. So it did it over the white, or over the blue, it'd make it all disappear. Do it over the trees, it makes it disappear. We can just undo that. If it did it over the river, it just takes away from the river and the trees. Boom. That's you done. That's you cleared it up, if that's what you want to do. Maybe we've got some in that plant there. Nope, seems to be all absolutely fine. And there we have it. We can also move the picture from the background. We can move it around if we think we want to have a different cloud saturation going on, depending. Look, I can have a little bit of cloud there in my previous picture. Put it there, just in the corner. That looks nice. So there you go. Very easy. Color select tool. Grow the selection. Invert the selection. Float the selection. Floated layer made into a new layer. Then add layer mask to the base layer, and then paint it over the layer mask in full transparency with a white brush. Boom. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy.